I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the nib removal ring or a small tool. This is the only recommended method because it grips the nib evenly. Once you have replacements ready, set the pen down with the tip facing up and hold a soft cloth under it to catch the nib. Make sure the tablet is off so you don't accidentally trigger strokes. You're avoiding twisting or pulling with bare fingers. That can bend the shaft or break the nib inside the pen. You now use the ring or wrapped pliers to extract the nib. Slide it down until it grips the shaft, then pull straight out with a controlled, steady motion. Do not twist. Twisting can shear the nib or damage the internal holder. If the nib resists, pause and push the ring slightly deeper, then try again. This aligns the grip. Once the nib frees, inspect the shaft for debris or bending and clean the holder area with a soft brush before inserting a new nib. Finally, you insert a fresh nib straight into the holder and push until it seats with a small click or firm stop. This ensures proper depth and responsiveness. Once done, test simple strokes and pressure sensitivity. If the tip feels loose, remove and reseat it firmly. If a nib becomes stuck and won't budge, try a short burst of compressed air to clear debris or gently heat the area with your hand to expand materials slightly. If that fails, contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.